the girls as well. Look forward. How are y'all? Huh?
Penalty. Goalkeeper versus goalkeeper. Woman versus woman. Shot! And it's a good height. And it scores! Camperdown in front. Taking that time, and Camperdown take the lead here. Jennifer Williams to take. Up steps Williams, and it's over the bar! Played a brilliant game, but she's blasted her penalty over the bar. Winner in a decade. Goal, yes! O'Neilla Perkins strikes again for Camperdown. Penalty shootout to put Camperdown in front. And up steps now Kyra Grant. Has a chance to avenge her. Up steps Kyra Grant. Oh, it's saved! And Camperdown have a 2-0 lead. Kyra Grant and Jennifer Williams absolutely disappointed, shell-shocked. The seat. Up steps Jamelia Thomas, and it's a goal. And now it all comes down to this. Will it be Excelsior? No! It will not be, as Camperdown are now your 2026 Issa Schoolgirls football champions, following 3 consecutive misses in this penalty shootout. Jennifer Williams, Kyra Grant, and now former champion and captain Shante Price. They've each missed their penalties.
Congratulations to the